Hi, it's George again from eimports4Less. Here today filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us today. This one will be available on the website within the next day or two. What we've got here is a 2019. This is a Ford Transit. It's a T350. This is a 15-passenger van. Take a quick walk around. This is a 2019. Has only 6,000 original miles on it. So take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about it. Being a 2019 with only 6,000 miles, there's really nothing to talk about condition-wise. Nice, clean overall vehicle, which you can see here. On a lot of these vans, the things that we look out for are the bumpers. It's a large vehicle, so some people don't know how to drive and they end up scarring up these bumpers. But they're in really good shape. Also on the roof, you want to make sure that there's no dents or anything like that on the roof. That's common on these because they're so tall. So we'll take a look at that as well. But really nice, clean overall vehicle, only 6,000 miles. This one did come in from private use, so not any type of a taxi or something like that. So take a look at the inside here in a second. The exterior obviously is white. It's the most common color, easiest to take care of. You can see the roof up there is in good shape, no dents or anything like that. And like I said, only 6,000 miles, so super clean. Front end is really nice and clean. Again, the bumpers are nice. No scars around the edges and stuff that's common on these. Let's take a look at the interior. Tough to tell out here in the bright sunlight, but really nice and clean. Smells nice, looks nice. Let's take a look in the back here. Like, seats as far as the eye can see. Nice and clean, no issues. If you take a look up top there, you'll see the controls for the rear AC. Tons of vents all up there. And plenty of room to stand up tall if you're exactly as tall as me. So nice, clean overall. Nothing to talk about damage-wise or condition-wise inside here. So again, you can see all of the pictures and details, VIN number, Carfax, all that stuff on our website at eimports.com. That's where you'll see everything you need to know about this van and more. You can give us a call here at the dealership if you want to know more about it, or if you want to own it before somebody beats you to it, at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.